Well, what do we got here? We got ourselves a Po-Man grill. What's a Po-Man grill, you ask? Come inside, I'll show you. So a Po-Man grill is a trash can grill and smoker. Yes, a trash can grill and smoker. Let's get this box open and see what's inside. All right, let's see what we got in the box here. All right, we got ourselves the lid. Flip this over, and voila, trash killing. We got some skewers in our grill rack on there. Get this bubble wrap off. That's a nice trash can grill. Inside, we got another box. This is a nice looking trash can. It's not like a trash can you would normally buy at a store. This is a pretty sturdy looking grill right here. So it looks like we got some other stuff, some bubble wrap, some zip ties, some plastic, some boxes to open. So we're gonna get through all that and see what else we got. So we got our grate, our skewers, our stand out of all the wrapping. We got this box here. Paperwork, looks like we got the handle to our lid. That's where we're putting the charcoal. Here's where we're gonna put our fuel. All right, looks like we got a sticker, Po-Man grills. Throw that on the truck. Gonna get this handle on our lid. All right, got our lid going, easy enough. All right, so that's everything in the box. This trash can looks really cool. I'm excited to go outside, get it fired up. Got some instructions. Let's go get this thing set up, see what you can do. So we have all of our pieces for our grill set up out here. Just like any other grill or smoker, you're gonna wanna get one good burn off. Get all of that factory grease, all the oils off of there before we put any food on. So we're gonna do that and follow the instructions that came with this grill. All right, so we got our fluid cup. They recommend using just plain rubbing alcohol. That's what we're going with. Get a lighter, light it up. Now you can get your charcoal, fill up the charcoal box. And then you're just gonna put this right on top of your lit fuel there. Line up those airways on the charcoal box with the holes. So while we're waiting, we'll assemble our cooking rack. We got our drip pan there. Slide on your grate. Get yourself some chunks of wood. I'm using a chunk of hickory. Slide your rack in. Of course, we'll add the skewers. Then we'll get our lid on, keep it cracked open a little bit. All right, man, we got our Po-Man grill going. Not a lot to it. We're gonna let it roll smoke for a couple hours, then we'll throw some food on it and try it out. So we've been letting our Po-Man grill go for a few hours now. I went through one full burn just to get all the metal exposed and season it up nice. But Po-Man recommends putting tinfoil at the bottom and on the drip pan when you're cooking, and that's what I did. I'm not gonna argue with easier cleanup. So I got some burgers on the grill, some bacon on them skewers. Looks mighty tasty. Double bacon cheeseburger on a Po-Man grill. Not too shabby. So getting this Po-Man grill out of the box, set up, I'm impressed so far, but this bacon cheeseburger, this is just the start. I put all kinds of stuff on my smoker. I know she can do more. You're gonna be seeing a lot more of this Po-Man grill, so stay tuned for more videos.